Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone app crashing problem. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing app crashing problem that any of your app is crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you just have to try to open your settings, then go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that any of your app has been restricted, so you're unable to open that or something like that. So you just have to try to disable the restrictions and go back, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to update your app if you're facing the issue with only of your one single specific app. So you can try to update your app. So for example, I'm gonna open or I'm gonna look my Instagram app. You just open the app store and just try to search for Instagram or the app which you are with which you are facing the issue. Then you just have to make sure that you are on the latest version of that app. If you find any pending update here, just try to update your app. After updating, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and just look for that specific app, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting if there will be any bug or any malware with your specific app. It might be fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. Or if you're facing the same issue with all of your apps after updating your iOS, so you can try to downgrade your iOS version because sometimes it might be that your iPhone is not compatible with the latest iOS version. So in case of downgrading, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.